How to fix your mouse going off the screen in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can fix this very annoying issue when your mouse goes off the screen of the Roblox and you have no idea why that is happening. So let me give you some quick troubleshooting steps that you can do and fix this particular issue. So the first thing that we're gonna do is simply go to the taskbar and within the taskbar, simply search for Roblox. Now you can see the Roblox player right here, and within the Roblox player, you need to click onto this option that is open file location. Once you click here, you will see this Roblox player shortcut. So go ahead and right click onto this, and then from here, again choose open file location. Once you'll do this, you can see that here are two options. The first one is the Roblox Player Beta, and then you had another file that is Roblox Player Installer. So for the Roblox Player Beta, simply right click onto this, and from here, click onto Show More Options, and then from here, click on Properties. Now within the properties, click onto this compatibility tab, and from here, click onto this option that is run this program in compatibility mode for, and then you can let it remain for Windows 8 as well. And then from here, you can click onto these options that is run this program as an administrator and disable full screen optimizations. Then you can simply click onto this apply button and then hopefully your issue will be resolved. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.